Hi guys, Russell here from Team Ira and welcome to another video update about iWATCH.PH. Today is August 12, Sunday and maulan na weekend sa ating lahat. No? So in this video update, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung mga latest news about iWATCH.PH. Actually, makikita nyo yung mga news na yan when you log into your dashboard kahit na activated or hindi pa kayo activated. Pag nag-register kayo ng account, itong mga news yung unang bubungad sa inyo. Okay, so unang news, kahapon ay nilabas na ng iWATCH.PH yung top 10 earners nila no, dun sa kanilang unang payout last Monday. Okay, so we are fortunate enough no, na makapasok sa top 10. We are top 8. Yan po, yan si Rosel yun, Angeles, ako po yan. So praise God, no? So congratulations sa Team Ira, we made it sa top 10 nung iWATCH.PH. Also congratulations kay Upline JR Beton, siya naman yung aking direct upline sa iWATCH.PH. So, top 9. So, magkasunod kami dalawa, 8 and 9. So, congratulations, Team Ira. Yan po yung unang news about iWATCH.PH, no? Second news, naglabas na sila ng news about their office address. No? So, right now ay under renovation na yung magiging office ng iWATCH.PH sa Unit 9C, number 20, Landsberg Place, Tomas Morato, Quezon City. Okay? And yung third update nila, ka-re-release lang a few minutes ago, no? Pwede raw mag-request ngayon ng payout until 11:59 PM, August 12. Okay? So, with that, ay magpo-proceed tayo to withdraw yung ating available withdrawal. So, this will be my second withdrawal request for iWATCH.PH, no? So, yan, try natin i-withdraw. Mayroon tayong available balance na 3,214 pesos. Yan. Bali, ito na yung ating kinita. Well, nag-join ako, I remember, I think July 19. Doon ako nag-sign up and nag-join pre-positioning stage na bago pa mag-launching yung iWATCH.PH. So right now, ito na yung ating kita sa ating dashboard. Meron na tayong total na 10,464 na earning. Ang breakdown yan ay 200 pesos sa pag-view ng ads. Ito yung aking personal view ng ads. Merong line-up iWatchers bonus. Ito naman yung viewing ng ads ng mga referrals, no, yung uni-level bonus from 1st to 10th level. Then, meron na tayong referral bonus na 5,700 pesos for, I think, 19 direct referrals. And meron tayong voucher na 4,250 pesos. So, yung referral bonus is 500 pesos. 300 pesos will go here. 200 pesos will go here. Kaya naman may butal na 50 pesos yan. Kasi yung video earnings is 10 pesos per video. Pero kada 5th video na papanoorin mo, yung 10 pesos ay pumapasok sa voucher. Okay? So, ang available for withdrawal dito ay yung ads video earnings, referral bonus, plus line-up watchers bonus. Okay? Itong voucher ay ginagamit yan to claim the company incentives. Okay? So, right now, sa ating second withdrawal today, meron tayong available na 3,214 pesos to withdraw. Okay? So, withdraw natin siya. So, punta tayo dito sa iPayout. So, kailangan mo i-provide yung password para makapasok ka doon sa tab ng payout request yan. Tuntua yung aking mga anak. So, yan. No? Request tayo ng payout. So, ito yung ating unang payout request noong August 6. So, 3,000 pesos. Then, merong admin fee na 300 pesos. 10 pesos, 10% yung admin fee. Okay? So, request tayo ng payout. Wait, siguro double check natin yung ating payout options kung updated pa rin. Okay, same pa rin naman. So, close natin. Okay, so enter amount. So, minimum withdrawal is 2,000 pesos. Okay? 3214. Withdraw natin lahat. So, may admin fee na 321.40. So, net na matatanggap natin ay 2,892 and 60 centavos. Okay? So, process request, payout. Are you sure you want to proceed to process iPayout request? Click yes. Okay, so you are allowed to cancel your request iPayout within this day only. So, pag nagbago isip mo. So, ito na yung ating payout request. So, 2892.60. So, marireceive natin yan tomorrow, Monday ang releasing, no? So, ang withdrawal request talaga is every Friday then Monday ang release. So ngayong araw na to, naglabas lang sila ng special memo, special notice na pwede pa rin mag-withdraw until 11:59 PM tonight. So yan. So naka-withdraw tayo, no? So that's our second withdrawal. Okay, so yan yung mga latest news about iWATCH.PH. If you have any inquiries about iWATCH.PH, please contact any of our members in Team IRA. And if you want to join our team, meron kaming mga premium offers, mga freebies, mga marketing tools na pwedeng makatulong sa inyo when you join our team. Okay, for more info about those premium offers, just contact me or contact any of our members in Team IRA. Yung lahat ng links ay nandito sa description, yung link sa aking blog, link din sa aking Facebook page, and also link sa aking Facebook profile. So you can always contact me on. You can also leave a message, a comment below. So I can get back to you later pag nakita ko. Okay? So that's it. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to connect with you soon. God bless you.